This is Jonathan from Widgets Development. I will be demonstrating the functionality and features of FlickWidgets version 2.0 for Android. FlickWidgets works by flicking your wrist and your phone in one of four directions: left, right, front, or back. Here's what each of these flicks would look like. This is left, this is right, this is front, and this is back. Now obviously nothing happened yet because I do not have any widgets configured, but we're going to get to that right now. I open up my FlickWidgets app. First, the launcher widget. This is new in version 2.0. I'm going to select my launcher widget for my front direction, and you can see a settings icon will appear next to it. I click on the settings, and I am presented with an empty canvas. This works a lot like your Android home screen, where you can add any applications, shortcuts, or widgets that are installed on your phone. The flick direction allows me to add up to 4x4, similar to what most home screens would offer. This may vary by phone and by flick direction. So I'll click the Add button at the top right, and I can either add widgets, shortcuts, or apps. I'll start by adding a widget. Now I can add any of these widgets that I have on my phone, but I'm going to go with the simple Google Power Control widget. And you can see that gets added to my home screen. I can also add, for example, any apps. So I'll just randomly choose a few of these. Do an alarm clock. Let's say Amazon. I can add as many as I'd like in widgets, shortcuts, and apps until my home screen fills up. I can also long press on any of these and move them around on the screen. Same with the widgets. And my flick direction is all set up. I'll exit back out. And now you can see if I flick my phone, my drawer comes out. And I can adjust any of the settings in my Power Control widget. I can also launch my alarm clock, I can launch my Amazon app, or anything else I might have configured. Okay, now let's take a quick look at some of the other widgets available. So for my left flick, I'll configure volumes. Right, I'll configure people, and back, I'll configure brightness. These three are free and ad supported. You can remove the ads by making an in-app purchase in the FlickWidgets store on this tab. So you can see that next to the people widget, another settings icon appeared. I can click here to configure who I want to show up. So first I select my group, and I can select, let's say, actors. I can choose how I want to sort, alphabetical, the number of times contacted, or who I most recently contacted. I can select the image size, and I can also select the click action. So either I can show the full contact, the contact badge, directly dial the contact, or send a direct SMS message. So now, if I come out of the app, and you can access these widgets in any app that you might be in at the time. It doesn't have to be on your home screen. So if I flick to my left, you can see my volumes come out. I can flick back right to dismiss the widget. I can flick to the right, and here are my actors. Flick to the back, and here's where I can adjust my screen brightness. So that's about it. I hope you enjoy the app. I look forward to hearing your comments and suggestions.